In this video I'll list some of the most common pip commands. First one will be list installed packages using pip list. Next up we will check for outdated packages using pip list o. To upgrade all outdated packages, use the command listed in description or on screen if you're on Windows, because xargs or awk or bash commands will only work with Linux. Similarly, I'll upgrade outdated packages for a different Python version, that is, 3.11. We can check available Python versions on Windows using pylist command. If you want to check the disk space used by cached pip downloads, you can use Pip Cache Info. Finally, we can clear pip cache including download cache and old packages using pip cache purge command. Thanks for watching. I will be publishing a new video on how to use UV, fast resolver and Python package installer written in Rust from the makers of Rough. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.